Good morning everyone. The sun is quite bright this morning. What is happening? Oh my god, glaring. Happy hump day. It's Wednesday. We're in the hump of the week and I am so excited. I'm trying to get the brightness right here. I don't know what's going on. I'm so excited because I am going to dinner tonight. Well, I'm going to Wagamama's and then we're going to the cinema. Exciting stuff. So I need to do so much here this morning. Like, I need to edit a vlog from last week, which I just finished this morning because I didn't get to finish it the day that I was filming it. I explained that in the vlog. And then the following day I got kind of unsettling news, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in a little bit of time. It's in regards to my health. Some of you who follow me on Twitter might already know what it's in regards to, but I want to kind of go into a little bit more detail about it. I've talked to my family about it and I've talked to like friends and stuff, and I just decided from talking to the people that are nearest and dearest in my life that making a video on the topic might actually help people out there. Sorry about itchy nose. It might help girls in particular because it's a girl problem obviously, and it will obviously help my female subscribers or anybody who has daughters or whatever. It just is kind of like an alarming topic. So anyway, I will talk about that in a future vlog, but this is not the vlog where I'm going to be talking about because I just don't want to discuss it at the moment. I want to think about happy things today. I'm meeting my boyfriend at 6. I'm going over to his house and then he'll be home from work, and then we're going to go over to Wagamama's and then to the Odeon, and I think we're going to see the Fast and the Furious. It's not my choice, it's something he wants to see, and I mean the last movie was my choice. We went to see The Lion King. Yeah, anyway, I have a beauty video that I want to go up today, and then I have a vlog as well that I want to go up tomorrow, so I need to kind of like start inputting footage. I really need to like have a shower, sort my hair out. I washed my hair yesterday and never dried it properly, so it's kind of a bit messy, so I need to like sort that out today. And I was gonna wear jeans. I was like, oh yeah, today's kind of like a jeans day. It's overcast and it's cold and everything, and now it's scorching and really sunny, so I'm like, jeans out the window. I'm just raging. I have so much work to do today because I'd actually love to go for like a nice long walk and stuff like that. I really need to get out for a run as well. I'm starting back yoga tomorrow evening, and then this weekend we're going to Zip It. I'm not exactly sure where Zip It is. I don't think I've ever been before. And then I'm going to watch him play soccer on Sunday morning. I don't know who he's playing. Last time I went to see him, he was playing Lucan, and it was entertaining. I wouldn't say soccer is like my favorite. I'm not really into sports unless it's like rugby. To watch, I mean. I love rugby. I love watching rugby. Like living for the World Cup this year. Do you know what? I think I might work first, because then I'll just get that out of the way, and then when I'm in the shower the video will be exporting. That's actually a much better idea. I'm editing my July favorites, my July hits and misses. It's taken me forever to actually get around to editing it. I filmed it last week, but in regards to like the health issue and stuff that I kind of got alarming news regards to, I just kind of stopped working for the last 3 days. I just didn't feel good, and I was just kind of like upset and stuff, so I need to get back into my working game, and that's what I'm doing today. I didn't sleep great last night actually. I had like an odd sleep. I was watching Louis Theroux before I went to sleep. I think it was the transgender kids one, which was very interesting, and then I couldn't sleep after it because I was like watching it too late at night in bed. Not a good idea. I try to not bring the screens to bed anymore. I was charging my phone in my actual bedroom, which is my bedroom because I sleep in the other room because it has a double bed, but I was charging my phone in this room so that I didn't have my phone beside me, and then last night I brought it in and I was watching stuff, and it's not good to be bringing screens to bed. It just, I don't know, I just can't sleep properly if I'm on screens. And also I'm going to tackle my storage unit soon. I need to go down to that and like sort out stuff, and I'm going to sell furniture and get rid of stuff that I had from like years ago, and I just need to kind of like sort through my storage unit and sort through makeup and stuff. So I'm going to bring all that down to like my little cousins and give it to them. I say little cousins like they're like 17, 18, but they're my younger cousins, and just give them all the makeup and give it to my aunts and stuff. because I have a lot of makeup that I've accumulated. Actually, speaking of makeup, I did get sent packages, which I'm going to show you guys the new stuff that I got sent, because one palette in particular I'm very in love with, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. First thing I got sent was from this brand AUG, and they have hair care products. They sent me some of their hair care. They sent me 2 of these like miniature kind of argan oil and Moroccan shampoos. I haven't tried these, so there's a shampoo and obviously a conditioner, and if you want to know what it does, I guess that kind of explains it all there. So it has argan oil in it, and yeah, it just explains kind of what it does for your hair. But then the other products they sent me were these ones. Oh, these smell amazing, guys. These are the orchid oil conditioner, and then there's a shampoo one, and they have UVA and UVB protections in it, so they're great for like treated hair, or obviously like bleached hair or dyed hair, against fading and stuff like that in the sun. So they're really, really nice, and they're big bottles of it. So that's the shampoo and that's the conditioner, and they smell amazing. Like, they smell so nice. And then they just sent me these miniature little bottles as well, so very appreciative to OGX. I wouldn't mind, but one of my subscribers was actually mentioning these recently, and I'd never tried this brand before, so now I have like 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners to give it a try and see what I think. And then the other products were sent to me from Nutriton. So they sent me these little face mask things. Hang on, if this will focus, it would be just absolutely epic. So yeah, this is a cream mask, and then this one's a cream mask, and then we've cream masks, and then they sent me 3 sheet masks. So one's for like hydrating, one's for radiance, and then the other one is for ageless. So that's obviously like an anti-aging one, so I'll probably give that to my mum and stuff. Or maybe I need anti-aging now, actually. So that's what was sent to me from Neutrogena, so thank you, Neutrogena. Big massive gold bag arrived yesterday, and it was from Essence. So Essence Ireland sent me these, well, first of all they sent me little sweeties, which I have to like dig into. How cute is this? Like, all these little like love hearts. I love them. See, little jellies, little love hearts, and there's little lips as well, which I'm gonna eat. Yum. And then they sent me out some of their lip products. So these are Essence's one product, I think, from every lip thing that they have, or every lip collection. So hang on, I'm trying to get this to focus. So this Mad About Matte line, which has matte lip products, matte lip creams and stuff, and they sent me like a clear lip gloss, and then they've like 3 different types of lip liners, and they sent me one from each kind of line. They sent me this new plumping gloss, which I'm really interested to try that out, and then they have these new lipsticks that come in this like matte white packaging with rose gold in the bottom, and they sent me the shade number 3. These are all matte, and they're like the perfect matte lipsticks for every skin type. Oh my god. Or every skin color, I should say. There's like supposed to be a perfect matte for everyone. And that's this one, number 3, which is absolutely gorgeous. So I think what I might do is I might pick up all of the matte shades from that line, because I never knew that existed, and I might like test them out. This is another one of their lip products, and then I think I nearly have all of their lipsticks from this line. And there's the puppy dog. Hi, I just heard you out barking outside. What you doing, Chewy? Coming in to see the makeup? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Lovely puppy. So that is like one product from every single one of their lip products in their line. And then they sent me out like a pamphlet, if I can locate it, this here. And it just kind of explains all the lipsticks. They don't test against animals. It kind of like shows you all like the different lip products that they have. And this is what I was most interested in, the ultimate nude lip, obviously, because you know how obsessed I am with nude lips. So the soft contouring lip liner, and then this is me lipsticks. They have 8 shades in it, and the plumping nude lip gloss, which I showed you there a moment ago. So I'm really excited to try these out, and I think I'm going to purchase all shades and just do like a lip swatching video. I have number 3, so I think number 6 looks nice as well. And like there's some deeper shades in here, so I'd like to try them all out and then see what they're like and do a lip swatch video with them. What do you guys think? The final thing I got sent was from Sigma, and they have a new palette out that is $49. It's available August 13th, which we're nearly close to that now. Today's the 7th, so it explains like all the the eyeshadow colours. There's 14 colours, buildable, blendable, pigmented. There's duochromes, cruelty free, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. So this is the Pure, obviously, and this is what the palette looks like, and it's so beautifully packaged and everything, and it comes in this duochrome box, which I ripped the bottom of it off because I was trying to like get the palette out yesterday, and I'm so impatient. Oh my god, see, look. So I'm just gonna pull that back there, but this is what the palette looks like, guys. Isn't that just like the most beautiful palette ever? Like, look at those shades. It's just so pretty. It really reminds me of years ago, Urban Decay had an eyeshadow palette out, and it was like purple velvet on it, and it had a kind of like chain silver overlay on it. I cannot remember for the life of me what eyeshadow palette, like what the name of the eyeshadow palette was, but the colours on the inside kind of remind me of this. Like, they're just, oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm really obsessed with this palette. I just want to get it on my eyes now. What do you guys think? Do you think I should do a tutorial with that? The eyeshadows are really different. Like, I've never seen a palette like this, even though I mentioned that Urban Decay one. I mean, that hasn't been around in years, but I'm just really liking the shades, the selection, and yeah, I just kind of want to try it out maybe on my channel if you guys want to see it. Chewy got a fright. A fly flew by him. He got a bit of a fright. You are a wuss. It's a fly. And sit beside me while I work on tomorrow's video. So I'm finally finished editing my videos and I'm going for a shower. I am so happy I got all my work done. Delighted with myself. So I'm gonna go for a shower now, and it's just gone 3 o'clock. So I'll get myself organized, dressed. Oh yeah, actually Lisa texted, or well, she Instagrammed me, and we're going for breakfast on Friday morning. I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in like maybe over a month. No, it was a month ago, because we went to Trina's, one of my really good friends. She was home from Australia. It was like her early birthday party, because she was obviously in Australia having her birthday. So we had like celebrations here in Ireland, obviously, when she came home. So I haven't seen Lisa since then. That was ages ago. And the two of us were very well on it that night. We had like the best night out ever. It was so fun. So I'm so excited to see her for breakfast on Friday. Thrilled to bits. Anyway, now I need to go and have a shower. Oh my god, I'm just after like running to the car because I like left half my life behind in the house, because obviously I'm staying over in my boyfriend's house tonight, so I needed to bring like my sleepover bag and stuff, and I just like forgot half the stuff from it. So I'm gonna go drive over to his first, because he's driving us to Bachelor. Instead of meeting him there, because obviously I'll drop off my stuff there. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Then I need to get something to eat, because I'm actually starting to get hungry. Oh, get diesel as well, because I have 40 kilometers. Every single time I sit into this car, it's like, wow, you have no fuel left anymore in the car. Let some air in. Actually, didn't want to put the aircon on because my new car has aircon, which is great. I need to brush my curls through. I kind of brushed them through and now they're like separating. I need to do a better job on that. I actually wanted to address something kind of just a little bit, I suppose. I disabled the comments on one of my vlogs, not my last vlog, the vlog before that, but this is the first vlog that first time I'm talking about it since vlogging, and you know what I mean. This is the first time I'm addressing it. I just disabled the comments on that, and like, not because there was any nastiness or anything like that. It wasn't anything like that. It was just kind of more along the lines of like speculation and stuff. And I've made this quite clear. Like, I understand that going into the life of YouTube and stuff, like, I knew when I started it, as young as I was, like I was very young when I started, I knew that, you know, that divulging information was part of YouTube, and it kind of, and I hate that, like, popularizing people for the drama that's going on in their life. So I knew that that was kind of an element to it. However, I always stayed in the lane of beauty and stuff, so I do know that when you kind of venture into more vlogs and stuff, more of your personal life is kind of out there for the world to see, and for your subscribers to kind of not pick apart, but you know, like, they're gonna obviously want to know like who you're dating and where you're living and, you know, your status in regards to such and such a topic, or, you know, how many kids you have or what your kids look like and stuff, and I do understand an element of your privacy is kind of taken away. The reason I disabled the comments, getting back to that because I'm totally like getting sidetracked now, is just because people do put their 2 cents into your private life, and my life is not a soap opera, guys. Like, it's not. It's okay, I do make videos for entertainment and stuff, but I don't want my life to be becoming like, I don't know, like a soap opera. I don't have any other words for it. Oh my god, that car is beautiful. It's a bright orange. I don't know what it is. It looks like a Lamborghini. I don't want my life to be becoming somebody's entertainment in a negative manner, if that makes sense. So, you know, relationships and stuff like that, I don't really want them to be picked apart and, oh, this happened and that happened and the other thing happened. Like, most of my, actually, like, every breakup I've ever had has been kind of, like, there's been never any issue. Like, I've never had it. Well, I've only had like 3 relationships in my entire life, and now this is like the 4th. And my first relationship was when I was 14. So, but anytime I get into a relationship and if it ended or anything, it seems to be a thing like, what happened? Something happened. Like, there has to be like a drama, when sometimes there's no drama. And there's actually never been any drama in the breakup process of the relationships. Meaning, like, there's never been like cheating. And you know what, despite my name Dramaticmac here on YouTube, I do try and avoid drama as best I can. I disabled comments because there was kind of speculation and things coming in and that in the comment section that I just didn't really want to, I didn't want it to be building up into a speculatory thing. I hope that makes sense. I feel like I'm like not making any sense, but I think I'm kind of, you're getting the gist of what I'm trying to say. I just want to move forward from everything that I've talked about. I have seen like stuff on Instagram and online about me. I don't care. Like, I just think it's hilarious. You know what, people are going to talk and think what they want. I know what really happened. The other person in the relationship knows what really happened, which was absolutely nothing but the fact that we decided that being friends was a better option, and that's the way we will remain. I'm just filling up the car, and I'm going to talk to you when I get over to my, well, actually I'm going to talk to you when I'm in Wagamama's. I'm going to talk to you when I'm in his house because I'll be obviously seeing him and I haven't seen him in a week, so it's going to be exciting. I feel like a child. Anyway, I'm going to fill up the car and I'll chat to you later. I am an absolute disaster because I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. I left my camera in the car when we went for Wagamama's. It really wasn't that exciting anyway because we were just chatting, so like it would have been just showing you the food because that's all we did. Then we went to the cinema afterwards, so I obviously couldn't be vlogging in the cinema. I need to put my sunglasses on. I'm blinded. Where are they? Yeah, but I had a really nice evening. So it's just gone midday. I'm going home. I'm gonna end today's vlog, and apologies for not ending it rather yesterday. I will actually be ending my vlogs appropriately from now on. I'm gonna try and be consistently ending my vlogs properly.